Factory of 60. So 60, it can be written as 2 times 30 is equal to 60. So 30, it can be written as 2 times 15 is equal to 30, and 15, it is 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers we have is 2, 2, 3 and 5. So we can write 60 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.